get agitated by, you know, stop and go, all over the placeness, there's lots of other really great reviews. Go hit up those because mine's gonna be all over the place. I'm just gonna accept it. Say hello, everybody. So I thought I was gonna be able to get this video filmed while she was sleeping, but Princess woke up, so you're gonna help me? Well, if you're coming to this video and this is your first time meeting me, hi, I'm Julia, nice to meet you. This is Penelope at the time filming this. Do you want to tell them how old you are? You're almost 10 months old. So if you're watching this and are a mama or plan to be or are into mommy channel stuff, I will link my mommy channel playlist up above, and then any videos that I reference, I always link in my description box under videos mentioned. So yeah, there's that. I have a really awesome positive birth vlog. She is a rainbow baby, so if you know what that is, you'll find out all the information. Anyways, I'm so excited because today we're gonna be doing another Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing, and I'm going to, I was gonna say I'm gonna try, but no, I'm going to not do too many cuts in this video because I want to get this up for you guys. If you missed, I think this is my 3rd year doing the Beautylish Lucky Bags. Oh boy, you have some green eye boogies. Oh no. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna make my first cut. I'll be right back. Okay, poor baby. Are you getting sick? I sure hope not. So, we are going to be unboxing this. This is, like I was saying, this is my 3rd year doing this. So if you want to check out last year's, I'll link it up above, and then in the description box, I'll link last year's and the year before's as well. But basically the way I like to do these unboxings is, okay, so if you watched last year's, I liked some of the items in my box, but compared to, you know, Boxy Luxe, Boxy Charm, FabFitFun, I calculate it down to percentages, how much you save, everything like that's kind of how I went about it. So last year, Beautylish actually ranked percentage-wise the lowest, and some people didn't like that I pointed that out. That's okay. Theme of this year is you can be the biggest, most beautiful, juiciest peach, and there's still going to be somebody who doesn't like peaches, and that's okay. They're allowed to not like peaches. Huh, lovey? Wow, okay, you want to get down? I don't know how long I have, so let's get into it. This year, they always have really, really pretty themes. This year, I think is one of my favorites is the crane. Actually, this is aesthetically wise the best. So pretty. So I'll just explain really quick, nutshell. Beautylish Lucky Bags are available one time a year. Usually they go on sale the day after Christmas. I got the regular box, which is $75. They do charge $10 shipping. In last year's, I kind of talked about the shipping, but basically, long story short, it's kind of a lot for shipping compared to other boxings. We also might have dogs in the background. So overall total, I paid $85 for this box. And let's get into it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If you are curious, on the label it says my box weighs 1.88 pounds. So I'm going to pull out something that so far I've seen everybody get in their box, which it's a good item. It's from the brand Good Molecules, which is Beautylish's brand. Yes, they're so affordable. I made a whole video. I basically used the Good Molecules brand skincare for a month, and I showed you guys what happened. I kind of talked about what products I liked, what I didn't. I'll link that video up above if you're curious about Good Molecules. But this is their Niacinamide Brightening Toner. And niacinamide is supposed to be really good for brightening. It's supposed to be good for pores. Their packaging is really, really nice. Like, this is glass, and their price point is crazy affordable. I think that this product is $12, which for a glass bottle, you get 4 ounces. It's just really good. Good Molecules has some really staple products. Yes! So I think this is a really good item. So I wasn't gonna say this, but like that's just me. You know, I'm an oversharer, so I was trying to leave it at that. But basically, for me personally, the niacinamide, I don't know why my skin doesn't enjoy it. It's supposed to be really good, but again, skincare is one of those things that your skin might like something that mine doesn't, and vice versa. So anyways, if you're curious on my personal opinion, but I definitely think if you haven't tried niacinamide, give it a try. It's supposed to be really good for your skin. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I am really excited. I'm so excited. I can't believe I got this item. I saw one other person get this, and I tried this year. I tried very hard, poo-poos, to not look what other people got, but I'm working on that. I'm working on it. And anyways, long story short, I can't believe I got this. I'm really excited. It's the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush and Highlighting Palette. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. So last year I got a Natasha Denona eyeshadow pan palette. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I don't know, one thing, if you are an OG subscriber of mine, you might have noticed that recently I've kind of changed my flow. I am getting rid of a lot of my makeup because since having Penelope, I just don't use it all, and I'm really kind of wanting to embrace that minimal makeup idea, but I'm keeping this. I'm really excited about that. Let's see, next we have a dry shampoo mist from R&Co. Now this company, I actually have been trying out some of their hair care products. They are pricey. I'll get that out there, but oh boy, what did you put in your mouth, lovey? Did it taste like caca? I'm sorry, baby, but I had to see what was in your mouth. I know, you can be mad at mama. You can be mad at me. Anyways, there's some really awesome staple products from this brand that I like. If you guys want me to make a video on hair care products I've been using, let me know in the comments section. Also, if you're still watching this at this point and you have the time, pause the video, give this video a like. If you like my vibe, it really helps me out. I appreciate it. But if you don't want to, that's okay too. Anyways, I'm actually excited to try this. Some of their products are very hit, some of them are misses, so I'm excited to give this a try. It does look like a trial size though. You think so too? Do you want to see what else is in here? What else is in here? What's this? So we have the Juno & Co. Microfiber Lemon Drop Sponge. I'm actually really excited. I never tried their, I think got famous by Nikki Tutorials, their blue sponge. And this one is a yellow one. Let's check it out. Juno & Co. also has a really good primer. This one, the Moonshine Primer. Moonshine Miracle Cream. So I'm excited. A little ASMR. Ooh, okay, this feels a little different. Does it smell like lemon? No. I'm excited. It's kind of fuzzy. I don't know. I don't have a beauty blender like this, so I'm excited to try. Would you like to hold that, lovey? Ooh, is that squishy? Okay, next we have my face. Next we have the Oribe Wave and Shine Spray. I think last year, was it in last year's? One of the years, or maybe was it a FabFitFun? I don't know. I've tried Oribe's dry shampoo, and maybe an unpopular opinion, but girls, come here. Say, come here, pups. So this may be a very unpopular opinion, but it's good, but I don't think it's worth the price point. But anyways, sorry. Anyways, but this is their Wave and Shine Spray. Again, it's a trial size, but I'm going to give the Wave and Shine I'm going to give this a go. Next we have it's a pencil brush, which I love pencil brushes. Who is this by? Ooh, it is Wayne Goss. I'm excited. So this is the 05 little pencil brush. I got a Wayne Goss brush in, I think it was last year's. They are really, really nice brushes. It's like, it was a blending brush. It blends like a dream. I think it's still over here actually. Wayne, where are you, Wayne? Here we go. This one, the 17 is a really, really good brush. Really nice. I love using pencil brushes for underneath the eye, and also if you want to use like shadow as an eyeliner. Anyways, I like pencil brushes. I'm excited. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, and the last thing, I got I never know, Viseart. I've heard both. I'm so excited. I got one of these palettes. I have never tried their eyeshadows before, and this one is the Dark Edit little 12 pan palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! This is what it looks like. So beautiful, so cute. That purple shade though, oh my gosh. You have some nice browns in here, really pretty. So again, I have just been on a, minimalist kick. And as much as I love eyeshadow palettes, I've been trying to get rid of a lot of them, but I actually think I'm gonna keep this. So a little tip for you, if you get things in your box that you don't like or you already have, you can trade. I know there's a lot of if you just look up Beautylish Lucky Bag trading on Facebook or maybe even Instagram, it's very easy to make trades. I haven't done it myself. What I personally do, what I did with a lot of my items last year, is I sold them on Poshmark. So I know doing that is so taboo right now. It's one of those things that if you don't like it and you're not about it, that's okay. Huh? Are you gonna do Mama's makeup? Thank you. Oh, let's see the eye. I'm sorry. I know, Angel. If you're not about websites like Poshmark and stuff, I get it, I understand, but for me, it works out really well. Last year when I was filming this, I was just about to give birth to Penelope. We were on a budget, and I got some things that I liked, but I was like, I do need the money more than I need this item. So again, if you understand, awesome. If you don't, that's okay, but judge kindly. Yes, love you. Let me add these up real quick and then we'll get down to the analytics. Okay, so we have some prices. The niacinamide was $14. I think I was off by $2. The Juno & Co. sponge retail price is $6. The Viseart palette's retail price is $39. Wayne Goss brush, this little puppy is $20. The R&Co spray is $14. Natasha Denona palette is $89. I'm like, I'm so happy that I got that one. And they do not sell this size of dry shampoo, but the closest I found was, this is a not dry shampoo, this is the Shine Spray, but the closest I found was a 2.1 ounce can for $22. This one is 1 ounce, so I'll just ballpark it at $12 is what I ballparked it at. So grand total, my box was worth $194. The percentage saved was 56.19%. So overall, do I love what's in my box? I'm super excited about what's in my box. However, if we are looking at numbers and comparing stats, for example, my most recent FabFitFun box for winter 2019, if you missed that or want to see what was in there, I'll link it up above. But that box's value was $238 and I had saved 81%. So 81%, again, the Beautylish box, you save 56%. Boxy Luxe, for example, I did cancel my Boxy Luxe membership, but the last one I got was spring of 2019. That one was at 83% savings. And even their regular box, I think the most recent Boxy Charm, just their normal box. The last one I unboxed, I want to say was March 2019, and that one was at 82% savings. Is 56% savings still good? Absolutely. But if you're somebody you're an average Joe, you can't afford to get all of these subscription boxes, and if you just want to get one beauty box, this one is technically not the best bang for your buck, and this one is a once a year box. FabFitFun is a seasonal, so you get 4 boxes a year. Boxy Charm is every month. And Boxy Luxe, I believe, is 4 times a year as well. So that's the information. Another standpoint you can make, which I feel like used to be true but isn't so much, is at least for FabFitFun. I love FabFitFun. I'm not even affiliated. They don't pay me or anything. I buy all my boxes. But sometimes other subscription boxes like that, they would throw in brands that are, you know, not Natasha Denona, not Wayne Goss, not Viseart or Viseart. But they've all really stepped up their game. I've gotten really amazing brands in those boxes recently. Like, they've just stepped it up. Again, if you want to see, go ahead and check out one of those videos. They're in the description box. But personally, I'm the happiest I've been out of the 3 years I've bought it. This is my favorite so far. Honestly, if I wasn't a YouTuber after the past 2 years, would I have bought it this year? Being honest, I probably would not have. But I bought it this year because YouTube is my job and I wanted to kind of show you guys what I got. And it actually worked out really nice. I'm super excited. Anyways, this video is probably way longer than it needs to be. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to come watch my review. I know there's a lot of really awesome ones out there, but I just feel so thankful and special that you chose to come watch me. I'm giving you guys a big, big hug if you're watching this. I love you guys so much. Sending you positive, loving vibes, and I'll catch you in my next video.